Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Hey there, welcome to video number 2. Whenever I say to begin with the end in mind, I literally mean it. Here are some of the famous niches of copywriting which I would like you to know so that you could infer that what type of copywriter you aspire to become in near future, so that the subsequent lessons that I will be presenting for you will motivate you guys to land towards that specific niche. Okay, now, the first of all, you will find the Amazon sales listing. If you are working on Amazon and if you are working as an Amazon virtual assistant, you can write the Amazon sales listings. Now, there are the email autoresponders. There is a sequence of emails, the motive of which emails is to not just to introduce yourself, not just to introduce your brand, but to persuade your prospects to make a sale as well. So there are sequence of emails that are written. There could be a sequence of 3 emails. There could be a sequence of 5 emails, 7 emails. I have mostly seen 5 to 7 emails of sequence that are used with the software like MailChimp. Those emails are autoresponders. They are written only once, but they are on autopilot. Whenever a person signs up on a certain website, after that they will be getting all those consecutive emails, 1 email a day roughly. Okay, this is a very good niche, trust me. You will have to dig deep into a little bit of this, and let me tell you that I will not be discussing all of those, but I will be discussing most of those which are of great importance for you guys. Okay, now there is the catalog copy. Catalog copy, as the name implies, whenever you will be writing the catalogs, it will be called the catalog copies. There are crowdfunding campaigns where masses of people gather and put their money, and that is called the crowdfunding. For that, people will ask you to write emails, to write the sales letter for all those rich guys who will put their funds in this crowdfunding campaigns. Or you can work as a marketer for any field. Okay, then there is the direct response copy. This is something is of great importance. All those copies that you see on Facebook, on Instagram, are mostly the direct response copy. Okay, then there is donor retention for non-profits. It is just all about keeping a relation with the donor so that they could not move to somewhere else. Then the e-commerce product descriptions. I will specifically tell you guys that how you can write the e-commerce product descriptions. I will tell you some quick hacks for doing so. I have written this separately because it is not only about the Amazon. There are many other platforms like Shopify, and there is WooCommerce on which you will be writing the e-commerce product description. Then there is entertainment advertising. All those commercials and infomercials of movies that you see on your television is all about the entertainment advertising. People can pay you good amount for that. Then there is funny conversion copy. Most of these copies are used on the social media, and I have personally mastered this. I like talking funny. I like writing funny. This is one of the great things to grab the attention of your readers. Then there is extremely big industry of landing pages. All those who have been working on the ClickFunnels might know the importance of these landing pages. People have their products, but they do not have the content writers to work on their landing pages. Okay, you can dig a little more in that. I will discuss this stuff later when I will be discussing the content copy that I have mastered. Okay, anyhow, there is mortgage industry, the mortgage and insurance. It's a very big industry in United States, and you will get a very good CPC if you make a blog on it. Then there is NLP, the neuro linguistic programming. This is a great way of convincing the others, because all the psychological theories are involved in that. And finally, there is PR copywriting. As the name implies, it is all about creating the personal relations. One of the example is that when you will be pitching a blog owner to post your article on their blog. There are many bloggers who will invite the free content, but there are some bloggers who will ask you for the money. Those are called the sponsored post. Even that, the PR copywriting is quite effective. If you could compel your prospects to post your article at the lowest price possible, that is also a very good business. And I have recently explained this business in one of my videos. The link of the video is given in description. Okay, that was the video, guys. See you in the next video, where we will be discussing the modes of persuasion. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.